Welcome to my channel. What's up, what's poppin'? It's your girl Callie. I will be doing a hair tutorial as the title suggests. It's a sleek low bun hairstyle. For relaxed hair, for natural hair, it's the same method. So yeah, if you have not yet hit the subscription button, go ahead and do so, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. This hairstyle that I'm about to do is very cute, very elegant, very elegant. It's very flexible, meaning you can wear it anywhere. You can wear it to run errands, you can wear it to an interview, you can wear it on a date. Doesn't matter. It's very cute, very elegant, as you can see. So yes, if you'd like to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. So you can go ahead and get your comb. Trying to just comb through the hair. My hair to the sides aren't that tough and thick, but once you are in the middle, it is going to be thick. Oh yeah, one more thing. Your center part doesn't have to be perfect, because I don't wear a perfect center part. Just make sure it's in a lean. Like here, this is actually lean right here, so I'm gonna fix it. But just go through. So before I use a brush, where's the brush? Okay, I usually just go in with my moisturizer. That's right. Not too much, so the hair would not get thick and nasty and looking all ashy and stuff. Well, no, ashy isn't the right ashy is not the right word, but I think you guys know what I mean. So I don't usually put it, in this case I wouldn't put it on every single strand of my hair, because I already have a lot of products in my hair and I wouldn't want it to look heavy and ugly, you know. So just go in again. Those ugly faces you make when you know the older people, them say you're nasty. I had to stretch for the brush. So the brush I normally use to like comb the hair out. See that swoop? Yes. Mm-hmm.